Are you addicted to Instagram, but allergic to studying? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to get addicted to study. By the end, you'll actually love studying. Yes, love it. Tip number 1, always start small. Most students think, I'll study for 5 hours today. But after 10 minutes they give up. Instead, just start with 10 minutes. This tricks your brain, it feels easy, so you begin without stress. And here's the secret, once you start, you'll often keep going much longer than 10 minutes. It's like starting a workout, the hardest part is the beginning. Tip number 2, make studying fun. If your brain thinks studying is boring, you'll run away from it. So, change the way you study. Use colorful pens, make doodles, add funny memes to your notes, or listen to soft music while reading. When you enjoy the process, studying feels like a game, not a punishment. The more fun you make it, the more addicted you'll get. Tip number 3, reward yourself. Your brain loves rewards. Try this. After 30 minutes of focused study, give yourself a small reward, maybe a snack, a piece of chocolate, or a 10-minute phone break. This creates a cycle, study, reward, motivation. Over time, your brain will connect studying with happiness. That's how addiction works, but this time, it's a good addiction. Tip number 4, remove distractions. Let's be honest, can you really study when your phone keeps buzzing every 2 seconds? The truth is, your brain can't multitask. So, keep your phone in another room, block notifications, and keep your desk clean. When your environment is distraction-free, your focus will double. It's like magic, less noise, more learning. Tip number 5, study with friends. When you study alone, it's easy to quit. But when you have a study buddy, you share ideas, ask questions, and encourage each other. It's like going to the gym, easier when someone is with you. Learning together can even make boring topics fun. Tip number 6, visualize your success. Close your eyes and imagine the result of your hard work, scoring high marks, wearing a graduation cap, or making your parents proud. When you imagine success, your brain starts craving it. This gives you the power to keep studying even when you feel lazy. Visualization turns dreams into fuel. Of course, sometimes you'll still feel lazy. You'll open the book, and 2 minutes later your eyes will close. But don't worry, even small progress every day builds the habit. So, if you want to get addicted to study, start small. Make it fun, reward yourself, remove distractions, study with friends, and visualize success. And that's how you get addicted to study. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.